Hello Taurus, welcome back to my channel, and this is your second week exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you would like to know more about personal readings, rituals or the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you out more information. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you have got the One of Spades and the Judgment card. With the Judgment card here, it means that it is time to make decisions. You might even feel like you are at a crossroad, like to stay or to leave, what to do, what not to do. This is a time of important decisions that you will be taking in your career, whether to go for higher studies, change a job, start a business, right? So please make sure that you are weighing all the pros and cons before jumping into a decision. So you'll have to carefully make some really big decisions. Also, if you are at a higher position or you are the boss, you will have to make some really important decisions, who to keep, who to kick out, right? So make sure that you're not doing any sort of injustice to anybody and you're carefully making those decisions. Also, I do see that if you're waiting on a promotion, you're waiting on a job offer, you're waiting on a client offer, some sort of deal to close, make sure that you know how much effort you have put in. If you've put in only 10% effort, you are only going to get 10% results, right? This is a time of great rewards. This is a time when the judgment day will come, when the decisions will be made. You will make decisions, and decisions will be made on your behalf also. So make sure that you know how much effort you have put in. If you haven't worked hard, or if you have not paid enough attention to details, then probably your result will not be 100%, right? It will only be how much effort you have put in. So be prepared, because it is a result of give and take, equal give and take. So that is what is going to happen. But I do see some sort of new things coming your way, or progress coming your way, or success coming on your way, right? Let's see what is happening in your personal life. Now you've got the Pope card, the Justice card, and the completed world. Well, this tells me that you are ready for some sort of, okay, let me see. Yeah, you're ready for some sort of traditional ceremonies, like you're mentally prepared that, okay, I want to get married, or I want to be in a relationship, or I want to at least confirm this relationship to everyone. So you will be finalizing a lot of stuff. Either you're getting married, engaged, or rupified in the second week of June, or you're finalizing a relationship for yourself, right? I do see that anyone who has tried, if you're already married or in a relationship, anyone who has tried to bring you down or to spoil your relationship, they will be getting their karma. Justice card has come to balance. So if you, your partner, or any third party has tried to affect your relationship in a bad way, they will be getting their karma. And if you're lucky, you will be able to see it as well. I also see that whatever is happening right now is very karmically inclined. So a lot of karmic connections will be formed, or a lot of karmic connections can drop out also if you have finished your karmic lessons in that relationship, whether that's friendship, family, spouse, partner, children, anything. I also see that you've got the card of completed world, which means that you will feel complete right now. Like whatever was missing in your life, you will get that now. Whether that's validation from someone, whether that's somebody coming back, a reconciliation, whether that's finding a new partner, whether that's that person giving you commitment, stability, relationship, spending more time with you, or coming back around, or your relationship problems resolving in their own way, right? So whatever was missing is going to come back to you. Even in your personal life, if somebody snatched your home, your car, that kind of personal relationship, somebody snatched your reputation, or somebody snatched your husband from you, it's all going to come back. Or if not, you're going to feel complete or whole as you are, like a new person, right? So take what resonates with you, because different people can feel complete in different ways. Somebody want their ex back, and somebody is very good on their own as well, right? Whatever incompleteness you had is going to go away. A lot of happiness, a lot of success, a lot of abundance is coming your way. So this week is looking beautiful for you guys. If you guys want to resonate, if you guys want to claim this reading, do comment I claim this reading. And if you resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if this was a general reading, so all your questions were not covered, you want to know more, then you can book a personal reading with me. I also do rituals, so you can book rituals to remove blockages from your life, or to manifest any desire very easy and powerful rituals and also very budgeted. They start at 251 rupees, the blockage removal ritual, which will go on for a month for you. Very powerful. And then I have two different love readings. People already know about Oracle love reading. A lot of people, you guys book it all the time because if you are in no contact, you really want to know how your partner is thinking, what are they feeling. So this is Oracle love reading for you. And if you are in a connection, but they're it's feeling off, you want to understand what is the depth of this relation, where is this going, you have more questions whether you are in touch or not in touch, you can book the Mystic Red Rose love reading. I've just launched that, and both the love readings start at 260 rupees and they go higher. And then I have different packages for you which are available, and in this package it's just rupees 800, and this package uh, a free remedy, a free blockage removal ritual is included worth rupees 251 rupees. Yes, and there will be multiple questions that will be answered, the most commonly questions for you, like if you're single, when is the partner coming? Why am I single? What is blocking my connection? And a remedy will be given. Same goes for career people who are looking to know more about when is the growth coming? Why is it not coming? What is blocking it? And a remedy will be given to you. And similarly for people in love situation, relationship or marriage, I have a different package for you, different set of questions and a different remedy. And lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need guidance or any of your friends and family do, please suggest this ritual to them. This counseling session will help them open up, share their troubles, their burdens, their secrets with me without any judgment, right? Without any fear of leaking or people making fun of them. You can come to me, you can share your burdens, and with the help of your angels, I will be guiding you correctly. I will be telling you exactly what you're doing wrong in life, and I will be giving you a remedy here as well. I have audio video call sessions available with me, but only on Instagram, Zoom, or Google Meet. WhatsApp is not available, right? So please take care of yourself, and if you would like to book any reading, you can either email me at arthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram for more updates because I will be posting stories with prices of all the services on a daily basis over there. You'll get more information on when your readings are coming out. And yes, do subscribe because that's very important to me as well. So take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.